No mai, hoki mai, welcome back to Kīwaha o te rā, phrase of the day. Before we learn our new phrase today, we're going to go over our phrase from yesterday. Ka pai, repeat after me, karawhiua. Karawhiua te reo. Karawhiua te reo Māori. Ka pai. So I hope you all get a chance to encourage someone today saying karawhiua te reo Māori. Ka pai. Well done. Today's phrase is patua te whakamā, which means to vanquish the fear or vanquish or smash that shyness which might make you pale of face. It is an encouragement to someone who's struggling a little bit. It can apply in many situations. Ka pai, repeat after me, patu, patua. Patua te whakamā. Patua te whakamā. Now say it like you mean it, how you would encourage someone to step up and be brave sometime. Patua te whakamā. Kia ora koutou. Ka kite a popo. I'll see you tomorrow.